Hello, I'm here. Please go to the center stage. You are sound check. Krishna. Tama ba ako? Hello, andito. What's your name again?
Kaya Krishna Kumar Miguel.
Krishna. How old are you, Krishna? Ilang taon ka na? 4 years old. Okay. Sino nagturo sa iyo ng pagsasayaw?
English, sir. English.
English. Who teach you how to dance? Your mommy. Is she a good dancer also, like you? Mm-hmm. How many days have you trained that talent, Krishna? 2 days only. That's very good. Okay. So I have a question here, Krishna. Ayan. What makes you happy? Your mom and?
My mom is happy.
Your mom is that's so sweet. Okay, what are the things that you love about your mom, Krishna? You love your mom because? Please put your near your mouth. Because?
Because my mom loves me so much.
Yeah, your mom loves you so much. Okay, congratulations, Krishna. That's very good talent. Good job.